Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best iPhone camera lens is probably one of the most sought-after accessories for iPhone photography enthusiasts, promising to significantly enhance image quality and unlock creative possibilities beyond the built-in camera capabilities. But with numerous options flooding the market, choosing the right lens can be overwhelming. Therefore, this video will guide you through the top contenders, comparing their features, image quality, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. ASDAWN iPhone 11 Camera Lens. This repair kit includes a step-by-step manual, guiding you through the process. Save time and increase your chances of a successful repair. We also offer 24/7 online support. A broken lens impacts your camera's performance, causing blurry pictures and potential damage to the sensor. Replacing it ensures you capture clear photos. Get 2 high-quality replacement lenses, one to use, and one as a spare. It's a perfect fit for your iPhone 11, ensuring a seamless repair. Repairing it yourself is much cheaper than professional repair. This kit includes all the tools you need, making the process simple and fun. We offer a 1-year warranty. If you're not completely satisfied, contact our 24/7 customer service for assistance. We're here to help. What we like. It comes with 2 lenses, so you have a spare if you mess up the first one. A detailed manual guides you through the process, making DIY repair easy. If you value convenience and want a backup, this is the kit for you. What people say. The lens fits my iPhone 12 Pro Max perfectly, just like the original. Installation was a breeze. I simply used a hair dryer to soften the existing glue, which made removing the broken glass a cinch. Once the old lens was off, I carefully positioned the new one in place. The seal is incredibly tight, ensuring that it's secure and looks as good as new. What really impressed me was the quality of the lens. The clarity and precision are on par with the original lens, and my photos are just as sharp and vibrant. It's like having a brand new camera on my phone. Bought these because my camera lenses broke, took maybe 10 minutes to change. Didn't affect the picture quality at all and looks like the original lenses. The clarity is just like OEM and scratch resistant and very sturdy from the couple of months I've had it on. Fits just like the original and definitely worth the money. Number 4. GVKVGIH iPhone 13 Pro Camera Lens. This is an original equipment manufacturer camera lens, perfectly fitting your iPhone 13 Pro or 13 Pro Max. The package includes 3 replacement lenses. Is your iPhone camera lens scratched or broken? This replacement will make it look brand new again. It's a perfect solution for restoring your camera's clarity. This kit includes all the professional tools you need for an easy replacement. No need to disassemble your entire phone, just follow the simple instructions. Repairing your camera yourself is much cheaper than going to a repair shop. You could save over $50 with this cost-effective kit. We stand behind our product. This kit comes with a 12-month warranty for your peace of mind. Please note that the camera frame is not included. What we like. This one offers 3 lenses for the price of 1. The repair process is straightforward, even for beginners. If you own an iPhone 13 Pro or Pro Max and want a simple fix, this is perfect for you. What people say. Easy to replace. Used to repair a cracked camera lens on my iPhone 13 Pro Max. Very good product. Very good product, not so great instructions but not too hard to figure out after watching a few YouTube videos. Number 3. iPhone 12 Pro Camera Lens Kit. This kit makes repairing your iPhone 12 Pro camera easy. It includes everything you need for a smooth and successful repair. It features 3 new OEM sapphire camera lenses. These are the same high-quality lenses found in your original iPhone. Each lens comes with pre-installed adhesive, making installation quick and simple. Just peel and stick. No need to buy extra tools. This kit comes with everything you need to complete the repair, saving you time and money. A detailed installation manual is included. If you're a first-timer, we recommend watching online repair videos for extra guidance. Remember to handle the broken glass carefully and dispose of it properly. Your safety is important. This kit is specifically designed for the iPhone 12 Pro. It's not compatible with the iPhone 12 Pro Max. What we like. You get 3 replacement lenses and all the necessary repair tools are included in the box. It's designed specifically for the iPhone 12 Pro. If you need a complete kit and have an iPhone 12 Pro, this is the best option. What people say. Super easy to install and fits like a glove. Not a single problem. Sticks well. Exact fit. Quick install. Just as durable as the original and no issues with glare or anything else. Same color and thickness as original. You won't notice any difference. This replaced my 12 Pro lens. The included tools made removing the old glass shards and glue easy, and the new glue ring and lens dropped in easily and fit perfectly. The lens has held up well, as my teenage daughter was given the phone immediately after the repair and it has lasted her approximately 6 months with no moisture penetration or blurring. Seems to be a good quality replacement part. This kit worked great. Replacing a shattered lens glass turned out to be quick, easy and cheap. I'm really impressed they included all the tools and details needed to fix my phone at home. Number 2. iPhone 13 Pro Max Camera Lens Kit. This kit provides everything you need for a professional repair. It includes high-quality replacement glass, adhesive, and tools for a smooth installation. It's not just any glass, it's the same high-quality sapphire material found in the original camera. Enjoy crystal clear photos once more. This kit is specifically designed for the iPhone 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max models. Ensure you have the correct model before ordering. We've included a detailed manual and professional repair tools to make the process simple. Even beginners can achieve a flawless repair. The adhesive is already applied, and extra B7000 glue is provided for extra security. It ensures your new lens stays securely in place. We stand behind our product. If you have any issues, contact us within 365 days for a quick resolution. Your satisfaction is guaranteed. What we like. It includes 3 lenses and a step-by-step guide to make installation a breeze. It's specifically for the iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max, ensuring a perfect fit. If you want a hassle-free repair for your 13 Pro Max, choose this one. What people say. Comes with an X-Acto knife, nice tweezers, good instructions, and 2 pieces of glass with adhesive already applied. I replaced with this and saved big bucks from having to take it to a repair store. So easy to use. The removal of the old lens was very straightforward and I was able to do without issue. Number 1. iPhone 13 Mini Camera Lens. This is a genuine OEM replacement camera lens for your iPhone 13 or 13 mini. It comes with pre-installed adhesive and easy-to-use repair tools, making replacement simple. It's made from high-quality sapphire glass, ensuring it's durable and provides clear images. You'll get 2 lenses in the package. Installation is straightforward, just peel off the protective film and carefully attach it. A helpful instruction manual is included. The kit includes everything you need for a successful repair. It comes with a 3-in-1 repair toolkit to assist you. If your iPhone 13 or 13 mini's rear camera lens is damaged, this is the perfect solution to restore its functionality. It's compatible with all carriers. Remember to handle the broken glass carefully during replacement. For first-timers, watching online repair videos is recommended for a smoother process. What we like. This kit provides 2 lenses and a handy repair tool kit. It's specifically designed for iPhone 13 and 13 mini. If you have an iPhone 13 or 13 mini and need a reliable replacement, this is a great choice. What people say. This comes with a nice little repair kit along with the new glasses. I broke the wide-angle camera's glass, so I only needed that one. The camera works just fine now. Saved me a lot of money. Easy to apply. Worked great. Good as new. The tools that came with it were all I used. The camera now works perfectly again, and the phone looks new. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.